Hey there, budget buddies. If you're using Goodbudget to keep your finances in check but finding the free plan a bit restrictive, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to upgrade your Goodbudget plan and unlock some awesome premium features. Whether you need more envelopes for better budgeting or advanced tools like shared access, upgrading can take your money management to the next level. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Goodbudget account on the app or website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. It's quick and secure. Once you're in, head over to the main menu. Look for the Settings or Account section, usually represented by a gear icon. This is where the magic happens. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Upgrade Plan option. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page that shows the available plans. Goodbudget offers a few choices, like the basic, premium, or family plans, each with different perks. Take a moment to read through them. Think about what fits your needs, such as unlimited envelopes or priority support. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Don't worry, Goodbudget uses secure payment processing, so your info is safe. Just add your credit card or preferred payment method, review the subscription details, and hit that Confirm button. Boom, you're upgraded. After the upgrade, you might need to refresh the app or log back in to see your new features in action. Now you can enjoy things like syncing across more devices, detailed reports, and even collaborating with family members. Upgrading is a game changer for anyone serious about their budget. Remember, if you ever want to downgrade or cancel, you can do that in the same settings menu. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.